We all learned how to write when we were in kindergarten. Over time, our writing skills grew from writing simple ABCs to writing total words and then sentences. As our writing skills progressed, so did the need to write more and more. Eventually, we are now writing long essays that we don't really feel like writing. This is until you find a solution that makes everything easier: copying and pasting. Today, we will see how you can earn from copying and pasting content online in a completely free way. The only skill you need is to copy and paste content. But before continuing, please subscribe to this channel for our future updates. With that out of the way, let's get started. As I said before, the only skill you need to do this is to know how to copy and paste content. The beauty of this method is that you can do it from anywhere globally, as long as you have access to the internet. You don't really need any social media followers, and you certainly don't need any investment for this method to work out for you. The first thing that you will need to do is head over to Google and search for Google News. Next, you will open the first link that you see there, news.google.com. You will find the most recent articles and information written and published here. All of these are on any topic you can think of, so there's a lot to work with. Think of this as an online newspaper. As you can see on the left, there are a lot of categories, some of them being business, sports, and science. These are the categories that you'll be working with. Next, you will open one of these categories to access the articles regarding that topic. I will go with health, but you can choose whichever interests you. Once you select the category, you will access lots of articles regarding that topic. You can choose the theme that seems interesting to you. I will choose the latest one here. Once you open the paper, go ahead and copy the whole thing. Once you have done this, we will head over to Quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a site that works some magic and changes your article or text to seem as if it was original and professional. You must paste your theme here, click paraphrase, and let the bot work its magic. It will completely change the article, giving you a new and unique piece. Once it paraphrases, you can read through it to ensure that everything is okay. You can also choose to what degree you want to change the text here. You have to drag this slider at the top to the left or to the right. Another benefit of using this tool is that it will be completely plagiarism-free, so you don't have to worry about that. This means that you can even use this new article as your own, which we are going to do. Now that your completely new and original piece is ready, just copy it. Now, I will show you 3 sites where you can get paid for your articles. Some of them even pay $1 per word, meaning that if you have a 500-word essay, you can get $500 instantly. So next up, you will head over to a website called Eatwell.com. This site will offer you up to $1 per word for your article. All it takes is to impress them with your writing, and just like that, you have money in your account. So, if you give them an article of 500 words, that will be $500 in your account. And even better is that you did not really struggle to write the essay, but you just copied it, changed a few words, and sent it to them. This has become the most accessible $500 you have ever made. So, what do you need to do to get this money? All you have to do is head over to the very bottom of the website and click on the section that says Contact Us. It will redirect you to a page where you will find many email addresses, just as you can see here. So, choose the email address that says Send Letters to the Editor for Publication. We will be sending our article to the editor for publication, and then we can get paid. Go ahead and copy this email address, then head over to your email and compose an email. Paste the email address as the recipient, then make sure that you paste your reconstructed article. Once you are sure that you have pasted the right one, you will proceed and send the email. Later on, they will respond to your email and ask for your payment details, whether you prefer PayPal or direct bank transfer. You can repeat this process as many times as you like on this website. Another website that is willing to pay you for your articles is Textbroker.com. You can submit your report here, and they will pay you for it. The website is a content writing platform that features a variety of categories. It is one of the most proven websites for outsourcing content. You will click on the part that says I write content up at the top and head to your payment. When you click on the price, you will see how much they pay per word. Before you paste your article, you can go over these payments and the requirements first. We will then go through the same process as before. Head over to Google News and select an article of your choice. Next, head over to Quillbot.com and change up your report as desired. Make sure that it is original. After that, head over to Textbroker.com and paste your new and original article here. And just like that, you can start earning. However, for this to work, you will need an account. While you are still on this payment page, scroll down to find a button that says Free Author Registration. You will be required to fill out a form before your account can be created. This form is not that hard to fill in. After that, you will be allowed to paste your article there. The last website that earns money from copying and pasting is iWriter.com. This website is all about people requesting their articles to be written by others, and the writer gets paid. It is that easy. To get paid on this site, we will go over the first steps that we took. Go to Google News, choose an article, paste it on Quillbot.com, make it as original as possible, and copy the new report. Now, while you are on iWriter.com, you will click on the Write Content section. This will take you to another page where you will have to fill in the form before you can get started. The form is just a simple test that will be used to demonstrate your level of writing skills. However, this should not worry you. I assure you that the only skill you will need is to know how to copy and paste content. The answers to this test can also be found online. You have to read the test question, head over to Google, and type in the question. Eventually, when you find an article or text that suits your question, copy it, head over to Quillbot.com, paraphrase it to make it original, then copy the new version and paste it on the form. If you want to know how much they are paying per word, you can look at the section that says Pricing. Just click on it and you will find that there are 4 levels of writing, each with its own pricing. Once you fill up this form, you will now be able to start selling your articles and make some good money out of this. So these 3 websites will help you earn from just copying and pasting. Make sure you try it out and see which one works best for you, because this has got to be the most straightforward job that you can do. What did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel before you leave. As always, thanks for watching.